NaijaFoodTube.
Hello people, welcome to NaijaFoodTube. I'm Kenny and I'm so excited to share with you how I prepare my mixed veg sausage noodles. For this cooking, I'll be using noodles, noodle spice, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, spring onions, green peas, carrots, onions, sausage, fresh eggs, vegetable oil. To begin cooking, I'll slice 2 sausage and set aside. I'll pour some vegetable oil into my skillet. I'll put 2 sausage and fry for 2 minutes and set aside. I'll add a diced onion, I'll add carrot and allow fry for 2 minutes. I'll stir. I'll add green bell pepper. I'll add red bell pepper. I'll stir. I'll add the spring onions. I'll add the sliced sausage and fry a little more. I'll add noodle spice, and continue mixing to allow the veggies cook well. I'll add some oyster oil to add more flavor. I'll pour the green peas and stir a little more. I'll set the veggie aside. Next to my noodles. I'll pour 6 sachets of noodles into the boiling water. I'll allow cook for 3 minutes. I'll sift and set aside. I'll put the fresh egg into a kettle and boil, like 20 minutes. I'll put my fried veggie back on the burner. I'll pour the parboiled noodles and start mixing. You have to mix this thoroughly in order to allow the noodles fry well. Wow! My mixed veg sausage noodles is ready. Please make sure you try this. I promise you'll love it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
NaijaFoodTube.